It is Wednesday, July 3rd, and while we were gone today, a friendly neighborhood yogi came by. So, okay, through here. First thing you notice when you walk in the door, something's odd. There's turkey hot dog or meatballs outside. So you turn towards the kitchen, and you go up, and you walk in. And there is a, first of all, empty cheese drawer, Diet Coke, empty or messed up, meatball sauce all over the floor, lids, crap everywhere. So you go back up, and look at what the bear did to my freezer door. Nice muddy paws, open shrimp bag. Down here. Look, more meatball sauce. Dirt everywhere. Then you come through here. Oh, look! More evidence of bear. Coming through, string cheese. Lunch meat. Reduced fat cheddar. And then through here. And then the bear, apparently with food in tow, and dogs probably yipping at his heels, came down the hallway where he left yet more evidence to be finished off by lovely bear prints on the wall. Lovely. Yes, right out the window, where he bent the screen and jagged it up, but Aaron already fixed. But I am happy to report we have bear prevention plans in the future.